What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds, where today we are taking the finished Saab 9.3 down to Weird Beard Auto Sales. Yes, it's that time. We've got the truck, we've got the trailer, and we got the Saab sitting right over there. And no, this is not a Saab story. This is actually a happy day. This car is going to Weird Beard, and not only is the car going to Weird Beard, but we are also supposed to be picking up the Chevy Cobalt that Weird Beard did the body work on. So you definitely want to subscribe and follow his channel, Weird Beard, because I guarantee you he's going to have some video footage for you of the repair process on the Cobalt SS. So the plan is to pick it up, take it down to Mako, and get it straight in for a paint job. And I know you guys are going to be wondering what color, blah blah blah. I'm not telling you because I haven't even decided yet. So right now, let's get the car on the trailer and let's get on the road. And that is a wrap. Can we get out? We sure can. Let me make sure I got the other side lined up all right here. We should be good. Hell, I'm getting good at this, guys. Damn, it's about time. Yeah, that's perfect. So I'm gonna strap this thing down. We can get on the road. All right, guys, she is strapped on, strapped down. We're ready to hit the road. Actually, not quite. For you guys, we'll be hitting the road right now, but I got to move the Hellcat, and I got to go give the Corvette a car wash, and then we can get out of here. Whew. Let me tell you something, guys. Today's a hot one. It is literally going to hit almost 100 degrees today, and then they're talking about storms. I'm going to put you guys in the truck, and we're going to bounce up out of here. Well, I think I see a certain Chevy Cobalt SS. There she is. Let's go take a look at it. Remember, check out Weird Beard on YouTube, man. Link in the comments, link in the description. I'm sure he's gonna have some footage of this. You got some footage of this, right?
Yeah, I do.
Good. Yeah, so go over there and check out his channel. Remember, this thing just had dings and crap all over it, man. So now you can clearly see the body work, and this will make it where I can just take it to, the next thing I got to do is take it to the exhaust shop, because the exhaust is loose as hell. It keeps rubbing into the bumper. Get it over to the exhaust shop, get them to tighten down whatever's going on under there. And off she goes to the body shop, man, and she'll get some paint. What color, I haven't figured out yet, but it looks good. It looks real good, man. Yeah, this is gonna look sick with a fresh coat of paint on it, guys. And I got that splitter. I got the splitter in that lower grill. It's gonna look real clean when we're done, guys. So stay tuned for that. And we're gonna unload this Saab 9.3 and hand it on over to Weird Beard. All right, now for y'all's favorite part, rolling this thing off this trailer. Man, I love this. This thing is great. I'm telling you, every time I do this, I still love it just as much. It's like every time I drive the Hellcat or the Corvette, man. It's just, there's something about it. I love it. And you never scrape. That's the best part of it. Well, boys and girls, this is where this car's journey ends with us and begins with Weird Beard. So be sure to check out and follow Weird Beard on YouTube from Weird Beard Auto Sales, because I'm sure he's going to do a video about this one as well. And, you know, I don't know. I can't say what exactly he's making a video of, but I'm sure he'll do a video and tell you what he thinks of the Saab. I don't know if he's ever driven one before. I actually found it to be a very fun little car. It's peppy. It's enjoyable. I really like it. So with that, it's time to get that Cobalt SS loaded up on the truck and get it ready to go to paint. All right, guys, we're about ready to head on to the next one. Hey, wait, I got that from Lucky. On to the next. Yeah, we got the Cobalt SS loaded up. You can see where he focused it on this work here, where he got this body line. This body line was dinged in pretty good. He brought the body line back here. There were so many dings and dents and little cracks on the bumper and stuff. Like, he put in some work on this. I can't thank him enough for the job he did on this. You can see it was real bad over here. He had to really work on this. It was actually pushed in a bit right here at the door. He did a good job, guys. This is going to look so good once we get a fresh paint job on it. Now, we're not going to paint it in this video. What I want you to do is comment below and tell me what color you think we should paint. Do you think we should go back with black, or do you think we should be trying to change it maybe to the cobalt blue, or maybe a red, maybe a really metallic black? Keep it black, but make it, you know, more of a metallic black, a silver metallic. Comment below, tell me what you think, and I'll take all your comments into consideration when we send it to Mako for paint. Well, let me tell you something, that was hot as hell, but we're done. We got the trailer dropped, locked up, the Marauder still sitting here waiting to go to its new home, man. Hopefully somebody comes picks it up. I keep getting people offering me ridiculous prices. Like, I get people offering me $5,000 for it. It's like, do you realize I will let this car sit here and sink into the driveway and rot before I let it go for $5 grand? The price is $8,100. That's what I owe on it. I'm not selling it for a dime, not a penny less. $8,100 firm, forever, or it will sit here forever. But anyway, back onto the Cobalt SS, man. She is here. This is going to be where it sits for just a little while. I wanted to get an idea of what it was going to look like with the front splitter and everything on. So I've kind of half-ass installed the lower grille and the splitter just to see what it would look like. And there it is. Personally, I think it looks sick. The only thing I think is a little weird is that lower grille and the upper grille don't match. Like, to me, someone had commented below and said that this was from a turbo Cobalt SS, and so this is an aftermarket grill insert right here. So I'm assuming this is the factory Cobalt SS supercharged grill. So there's definitely a difference there, and I do think it throws it off a little bit with the lines down there and then this diamond shaped pattern on top. But whatever, the splitter is on it. There it is. That's what it looks like, guys. It looks pretty good. Fender gap here is a little wide. I'll see if Mako can shorten the gap. You can see the fender gap up here is actually pretty decent, but down here it's kind of wide, so probably needs just some minor adjustments. The front bumper is not attached all the way, so I'll let Mako handle all of that. I've got a new wheel for it in the back, 4 new tires for it, and we're about done. Short video. But before we finish, I figured I'd show you around, because I don't think you guys have seen this place since all the trees have been cut down. And we actually found a fence back here that we didn't know existed. We came out here and had a pretty massive bonfire the other day. It was great. We had a pile of wood here, almost all gone. We went through almost that whole pile of wood, which is good because there's plenty more wood here, obviously, that needs to be burned. We had a grill out. We had hot dogs. Still got plenty of charcoal left over. There's a few. I gotta go in here and pick out the tin cans, throw those in the garbage. But yeah, man, this fire pit was full. I mean, we loaded this sucker up with wood, and this is all that's left from it. So we had a really nice fire out here. You can see we sat some chairs out. We just sat out here at night, middle of the night, like midnight, 1 o'clock in the morning, looking up at the stars. You know, the moon was shining bright, so it was plenty light out here. Crackling of the fire, the grill going, blowing the smell of food your direction, some good country music. It was great. Plenty of wood here, and here's the storm shelter, guys. Yeah, I don't think we've ever really actually seen this before because it was all covered up with a bunch of trees and stuff. But there's the storm shelter that is, you know, it's no longer a storm shelter. Somebody used it to throw, I think they tore a house down. I think there was a house over here somewhere. They tore it down and threw the foundation of the house into the storm shelter. In fact, let me see if I can open this up without getting bit by some damn snake or black widow or brown recluse or something. Yeah. Open sesame. Yeah, I don't want to get too far in there, guys, because obviously this thing is full of creepy crawlies. There's snails. Lots of snails, ants. There's a whole like ants nest right there, right next to a bunch of snails. They're like coincide. They're living together. Ants, snails, and roly-polies. And down there, guys, yeah, just lots of concrete from something. Yeah, so I had all of this cleared out for us. So there's plenty more room here. All the low-hanging branches and everything have been cut down from these trees all through here. So really, it opened up this whole space. I'm gonna take this little patch right here of like little brush, weeds, maybe some small trees. I'm gonna knock these down and open this up a little bit more. And when they were cutting the trees down, they found this fence back here. I still gotta mow all this over too. We'll get that mowed down, but they found a fence. There's a chain link fence back here, just kind of random, standing here all by its lonesome, and trees growing through it. So that should be fun. I'm not quite sure how we're going to cut these tree stumps down with this fence. That's something that'll just have to get figured out. But man, it really opened the place up. It offers a whole lot more room, and I really, really love it. Some of the next things, hopefully we can get a swimming pool out here. Not one from, preferably, not one of the ones from Walmart. I'd actually like to go. There's a place in the city that does swimming pools. I'm going to see if we can get them to come out here and put in a pool. We got the shop. I've been telling you guys for like 2 weeks now this is happening, and we finally have a little bit of progress out here. The weather has not been cooperating. Any of you guys out here in Oklahoma know what I'm talking about. The weather has just not been working with us on getting this built, but we have the first parts of the shop built and dropped off right here. Now, forgive me if I'm wrong, but these are called the trusses. Am I right? I think they're called trusses. There they are. I don't know about you, but these things look sturdy, guys. These look real sturdy. So this thing's going to be 1,200 square feet, 30 by 40. And it's supposed to go right here. They may have to move it back a little bit or forward a little bit. I don't know. But from what I understand right now, weather cooperating yet again, we should be getting the approach built and the pad poured, everything getting in here and actually set up probably on the 11th and the 12th. So hopefully somewhere around the 12th, I'll be able to come back with another video, a little progress update. You'll be able to see some gravel leading up, which is called the approach. And then hopefully you'll be able to see this building, where it's all going to go. And hopefully there'll be some more materials dropped off out here, guys. I'm not kidding. It's been a chore. It's been a lot of work. There's a lot of work going on behind the scenes that nobody sees. So please be patient with me on car content, guys. I know you guys want to see a lot of car content since this is a car channel, but just please bear with me. I'm one person. I'm literally one person. I'm trying to get a house put together, a shop literally built from scratch, trying to keep up with car content, as well as purchasing cars, selling cars, cars going in and out of the shop. I'm not complaining. It is like 96 degrees out. My God, it's hot. I'm absolutely not complaining, guys. I love this. Like, I live for this. I truly do. I really love doing what I do and making these videos for you guys. I hope you guys love it as well. I see a lot of complaints in the comment section. Just trust me, guys. I'm doing the best I can, and I think you guys are going to enjoy the shop update, and we'll do a house update once we get some more done in there as well. So with that, I am going to get out of here. I got a lot more to get done today, and it's already like 3 o'clock in the afternoon. I got so much more to get done. Big shout out and thank you to Weird Beard for the Cobalt SS, man. Big shout out to him. Thank you so much for knocking that out. Please, if you have not already subscribed to Weird Beard on YouTube, please click the link in the description or in the comment section. Go subscribe to Weird Beard and leave him a comment on one of his videos and let him know that Randy or Auto Auction Rebuilds sent you over there, so he knows that you're new from my channel. You're going to enjoy his content, I guarantee it, and I guarantee you're going to love the Cobalt SS content. As for that, stay tuned. That car I'll be going to make on the near future. Comment the color. Personally, I'll be honest with you, I was thinking Sunburst Orange, a color similar to the factory GM Orange Metallic. Beautiful color. Then again, I don't know. I also love the Cobalt Blue. So comment that down below. Tell me what color you would like to see the car. And guys, if you enjoyed the content, please do me a solid. Hit that thumbs up button. Share this video with your friends. Subscribe to the channel if you're not currently subscribed. And with that, you can follow me on Facebook and Instagram, Auto Auction Rebuilds. Now with that, I'm going to get out of here. Until next time, everybody, stay safe out there. I'll catch you all very soon in the next one. And just a little bit of extra content for those of you that stuck around till the very, very, very end of the video. We are going to be using Liquid Moly, which performed a miracle on the Saab 9.3. We're going to be giving this a try in our collapsed DOD 5.3 engine. It's got a collapsed lifter on cylinder 1. This is the 5.3 displacement on demand 06 GMC Denali, all-wheel drive, of course, XL. We're going to be giving this a shot, guys. We're going to try this in an upcoming video. Now, I'm going to tell you right now, I don't think this is going to work. I don't. But I didn't think it was going to work on the Saab either. And the Saab is running and driving excellent now. So I figure for $14.99 a can, it doesn't hurt. Stay tuned.